Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a way to keep those gnats away from your plants? You're going to love these traps from Fufal.
These bright yellow sticky traps come in the shape of a butterfly and a tree. It has a bright yellow color, which attracts flying insects, and its high quality glue keeps them from escaping. They're very easy to peel. You just insert, and they're UV resistant and waterproof. They're really great for indoor potted plants, and its components are not harmful to people or pets. These sticky traps have been especially helpful when repotting some of my indoor plants. And there is no need to replace them until fully covered.
So I really love these traps. They've been very effective, easy to use. We can use it in a variety of different plants around the house. I think you guys will really make good use of these, and that's just my point of view.